Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And I want to ask Alice about this saying that I've been hearing a lot lately. And what it means in English is, if you want to find a wife, find a Hakka wife. But if you want to find a husband, stay away from the Hakka husband. 这真的是好奇怪的一句话啊！就用中文先讲一下了，是娶要娶客家妹，嫁不要嫁客家郎。哇，先教我们怎么讲这句话。
讨愛討客家妹。
哦，所以你们娶是討就对了。
討伴娘。
啊，討什么？
討伴娘，娶老婆。
伴娘是老婆。
伴娘啊。
伴娘 wife，OK，so 討
愛討客家妹。
哦，討愛討客家妹。
嫁妹嫁客家郎。
嫁就是嫁嘛哈，嫁妹嫁客家郎。哦，我怀疑这句话是女生写的。我怀疑是 Alice 发明的，要嫁就要娶就要娶像你这样子的女人，
对不对？太假讲没爱讲的哦。
跟我们解释这怎么一回事 ？How come? I mean, you guys are dissing your own men. That's not good.
因为一般的客家妹本人的印象是较勤俭、较上忙、很做事。
上忙是什么？
就是比较努力、比较打拼、肯做事。
哦 ，OK， 所以有这样子的老婆不错。但是如果是男生，
客家郎就點嘛？客家太部分哦，就會農耕啊，就種田啊。
哦，種田。
啊，家都該必須的話，就啊，那個事情都會做，
事情太多了，
就會冬天嘛，有時候唔會嫁客家人。
哦 ，OK。
或者你咩客家人哦？
啊，我不是啦。
聽說什麼嫁本人？
我要去找Samway 对。
我講要當我 Samway 嫁本人，記得要討客家妹啊。
對，我會找到的。好，其實我前面就一位啦。
哎呀，客家人咧，唔知咧。
So anyways, what Alice is saying is, I guess this is a saying that came from the old times, you know. The Hakka women are very well known for how hardworking they are, how much they take care of the family, and how caring they are. So if you can find a Hakka woman, like Alice, by the way, you are set for life. On the other hand, not saying that Hakka men are bad, but they have always been known to be working hard in the farm. They have to work in the mountains. There's a lot of work involved. So if you are a girl, you don't want to go into a family where you have to work so hard. All right, there you go. That's our semi-Hakka phrase of the day right here on ICRT FM 100.
什麼太假？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.